Hi, welcome to the Paper Petal Studio. Today I'm going to show you how to create your very own beautiful paper roses using one of our signature kits. Let's get started. In your kit you'll find your pre-cut rose templates, which includes your small, medium, large and base layers. You'll also find your butterfly template, leaves, tape roller and also our shaping tool and mat, which is included in our bundle kit. With the small rose templates first, take your shaping tool and gently pull and curl the paper petal edges outwards from the centre. This gives them that soft, realistic look. You have your small, medium and large templates prepared. Then taking our base layer, we're going to fold each petal inwards at the base and fold it and crease it using the shaping tool. Completed, you're now going to curl each petal again, similar to the previous templates, going around in a clockwise motion and then anti-clockwise, shaping and curling the petals as you go. Taking one of the small petal templates and your tape roller, place a strip of tape along each petal edge and then roll it into a tight cone to form the centre bud. Press firmly for a few seconds to secure in place. Taking the opposite petal, place a strip of glue either side and curl the petal in onto the bud and secure in place. The next small petal template, we add a strip of glue to the centre and attach the bud, and then along each of the edges of the petals we add a strip of glue and then curl the petals inwards and hold firmly for a few seconds to secure in place. We repeat the process with the remaining small petal templates. So we take each of our middle templates and, repeating the process, we build our paper rose outwards. For the second last layer of templates, we're going to turn the templates upside down, add a strip of glue to the centre and secure our rose in place. Then, after applying a strip of glue to each side of the petal, we're going to place our forefinger in the centre and then wrap the petal around the base of the rose and repeat for the opposite side. We're going to repeat this for the remaining petal templates. Then, taking the base layer, turn the template upside down and then we're going to add a few strips of glue to the centre to attach the rose, and then we're going to also add 1 or 2 strips of glue to the centre of each petal and then place it firmly against the rose to give it that lovely curved out look. You'll follow the exact same process for each of the remaining roses in your kit. Create your beautiful butterfly by folding it in half and creasing along the centre line. Taking your leaf template, you're going to fold each leaf in half and crease along the centre line. Continue and repeat for each of the leaves. I hope that you enjoyed this paper rose tutorial. Until next time, love paper, love flowers, love paper flowers.